Take off my makeup with me, Baby Yoda edition. Let's get this stuff off. Oh my gosh. Let me take these contacts out. Let's get this bald cap off. This is a look right here. Oh wow. Let's try and wipe it off. I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I'm Baby Yoda. But I won't be Baby Yoda anymore. And just like that, I am now human. I won't lie to you guys, I am overheating. That's better. I'm sorry, Mom, but I got your bed sheets dirty. I hope this doesn't stain. Shall we take the ears off? I won't lie to you guys, I spent a little too long painting these. Okay, just one more? No, I can do this, that's fine. I don't know why I always choose to put liquid latex so close to my hair. But now we just gotta take off this pretty face. Nightmare fuel. Green paint doesn't stain skin, right? Alright, I took a shower and I think we're in the clear. Comment which movie character you want to see me turn myself into next. I could not say that correctly, but you know what I mean. And of course, the most important thing, don't forget to have an amazing day.
Take off my makeup with me, Arrow Heart Edition. I have to be on a meeting in like 5 minutes. Okay, let's get this arrow off the top of it. Ow! These are the biggest lashes I've ever had on my face. The 2 little lash spikes. I really do not know how I'm getting this off in like 3 minutes now. I'm gonna be stained pink. And I don't even have time to put on foundation to cover it. Yeah, this glitter's gonna be a problem. Let's try to get these out without getting glitter in my eyes. This is the best I can do here. I'm gonna go wash my face.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me. Gotta get this beautiful flower crown out in this veil. I'm literally living my Nicki Minaj fantasy with this wig. Take these contacts out. There's one. Oh, there's 2. Get these gems off. These eyelashes are massive. This is so pretty, I don't want to take it off. Here we go. Oh, depression. Like seriously, please appreciate the detail on this neck. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I am so proud of this. I am such a cute banana, look at me. The peel took me so long to make. Ow! And now it's time to peel off the peel. Nice. Peel the banana, peel, ow. Also, yes, I made this piece out of a Waterloo box. DIY queen! I think there's only one way to do this. Maybe not. Okay, I literally do this every day. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, baby hairs. We don't need the eyelash anymore. This breaks my heart. Well, now there's definitely no going back. Nightmare fuel. And I am no longer a banana.
The time has come to take this off. But where do we start, you may ask? Well, let's take these fins out that I bobby pinned to my wig and this crown. Remove these beautiful luscious blue locks. Oh my. Believe it or not, my eyes are not actually yellow. Let's take these out. I'm about to be Spain without the S. Let's do that again. Oh my god. My cheeks are actually throbbing. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to steal Christmas. Take this off again. I cannot breathe, and I'm really excited to, breathe again. These Grinch fingers are messing me up. Let's do the beard. Oh, okay. The mouthpiece got connected to the beard, so we're just gonna do that. I can breathe again! I don't know why I used modeling clay, but my skin is not irritated, so I guess it's fine. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. I kind of like this look. I feel like a Ninja Turtle now. But the eyebrows gotta go too. Nice. Alright, I showered. I'm slightly stained green, but I am clean.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. Alright, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. This look here was inspired by My Little Pony, and this is if Twilight Sparkles was, well, scary. I'm gonna start by taking off the wig, because it's kind of sticking to everything now. Now let's do this cute little ear. I think I got some of my baby hairs, guys. Now let's take off this monstrosity, and it's all very sticky. I love using clay, but oh my god, it does not feel good. One single lash, and how can I leave you without the nightmare fuel? I don't even know why I do scary makeup anymore. Like, I can just smear paint on my face and put contacts in and I already look terrifying. I'm just gonna go shower. I'm back from the shower and I'm all clean now. I thought the paint was gonna stain my skin, but it really didn't. And you guys have an amazing day.
Take off my makeup with me. Grr. Let me get these contacts out. I can see. This is gonna hurt. I have never gotten that off in one try before. Like, I'm actually shocked. Now I'm gonna spray some makeup melt and rub that in. This is definitely gonna stain my face. Now I'm taking my makeup towel and wiping that off. I'm only slightly stained pink. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. My phone is about to die, so we gotta do this fast. Starting with the leaves. That was really easy, okay. I'm like always prepared for the worst. Good to know that about myself, I guess. Okay, I feel like these ones are gonna be bad. Yeah, not too bad. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's fine. And then, of course, the beautiful smile. I can't see, so finding an edge is really difficult. Found one right here. And, it's stuck. We're just gonna go from the side. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Just lovely. As they say, beauty is pain. And, this is obviously beauty, right? Right? Nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now.
I look like Patricia McDonald. Take off my makeup with me. I have an appointment at the animal shelter, and I have to be there in literally 5. If I go like this, do you think they would let me take home a cat? They probably would think that I was going to force the cat to have an excruciating life in the circus and train him to jump through hoops and stuff with little to no compensation. Or they would just call the cops and then put up a most wanted sign in front of the shelter. Regardless, I'm not really trying to find out. So today I decided to cosplay as your ex, and no, that was not your sign to text him. Aren't these contacts sick? They're like clocks. Really small clocks. Speaking of clocks, do you know what time it is? It's time for you to stop scrolling on TikTok and get out of bed and maybe, I don't know, clean your room, do the dishes, do that homework you've been putting off. I'm just trying to keep you thriving, queen. So you won't end up like this. Bye, I'm going to the shelter. Comment if you think I should get a cat.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. As you could probably tell, this makeup was inspired by Squid Games, and I love it. And I'm taking my contacts out first so I can see. Let's start with a small piece. Oh boy. Okay, could be worse. Now I gotta take this monstrosity off, and I'm really not looking forward to that. I think doing it fast is the best course of action. Alright, y'all, 3, 2, 1. Oh. I keep making everything out of cardboard boxes, yes. But that was only the beginning. There's still this piece left. Okay, let's just do the same thing. Deep breath. The other way. Good. Did I really just forget how to breathe? Anyways. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I don't feel pain. Doesn't this just look delicious? Nightmare fuel? And just like that, I'm all clean.